Hello, everyone. Welcome to Emma Family English. My name is Emma. Today, I will tell you about my weekend routine. This lesson is perfect for beginners and A2 learners. I will speak slowly and clearly. First, I relax with a good book. Then, I plan the week ahead. Are you ready? Let's start. On Saturday morning, I usually wake up a little later. I get up at 8 and 0. I make a cup of tea. I feel relaxed because I don't go to work. I eat a simple breakfast. After breakfast, I clean my home. I wash the dishes. This one is clean now. I sweep the floor. I water the plants near the window. I like to keep my home tidy. In the late morning, I often go shopping. I walk to the supermarket, pushing my shopping cart down the aisle. Time to find some great deals. I buy bread, fruit, and vegetables. Sometimes I buy rice, milk, or snacks, like this milk right in the cart. Here's my payment. Thanks, have a good day. In the afternoon, I enjoy my free time. Sometimes I meet my friends here. We love this cafe. We drink coffee and talk about our week. It makes me feel happy. Me too. It's the best part of my week. Definitely. I really enjoy my free time in the afternoon. Sometimes we go to the park. It's so peaceful here. I love these walks. On Saturday evening, I like to cook something nice. I make pasta with vegetables. And here's the finished plate. Sometimes I try a new recipe, looking at the phone for the next step. Cooking on the weekend feels fun and creative. After dinner, I like to relax. I watch a movie or a TV series. I enjoy the quiet time at home. On Sunday morning, I usually read a book. I sit by the window with a cup of tea. I read slowly and enjoy the story. Sometimes I listen to music. It makes me feel calm and happy. At noon, I visit my parents.
We eat lunch together. We talk about our week. We laugh and share stories.
I love our stories. Family time makes me feel warm and loved. In the afternoon, I prepare for the new week. I wash my clothes. I fold them neatly. I check my bag for work. I write a short list of things to do on Monday. On Sunday evening, I rest early. I take a shower. I wear my pajamas. I read a few pages of a book. At 10 o'clock, I turn off the light. I go to sleep with a smile. This is my weekend routine. What about you? What do you do on the weekend? Thank you for watching Emma Family English. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more easy English lessons.